Well, the very characteristic pattern decoration of Duchess Pheasant Bone China. Maybe between, much earlier than people think this, 1950s through to around 1970s, 1980s at the very latest. This is the large milk jug, holds just over half a pint, beautifully decorated with the characteristic cock pheasant in flight on the front. Smaller area is silver and brown branches on the rear. But the thing to stand out and draw to your attention about this milk jug is the fine condition of the gilt and porcelain and decoration. Period Duchess Crown marks in brown. Apologise for the puppies having a squabble over a bone in the background. But the glaze is absolutely perfect and it's looking very good considering it's probably been around for maybe 70 years, this piece. Nice big squat piece of Duchess Bone China. Pheasant is the design, very collectible these days. We've got quite a few pieces of dinner and serveware coming online over the next few weeks, so do keep an eye on the website listing as we get around to adding all these pieces. Description link below will take you through to this particular milk jug. We've also got the larger custard bowl jug or gravy jug. Very similar, but on a scale up from this, just being listed as well. So some interesting pieces of period Duchess Bone China coming online. Thanks for watching.